Exactly. And that's why, what do you call it? Favorite day. Okay, let's get some perspective, people. If now we're wearing the same high-dog coat,